This is our chemical balance, which has three agates, one here, one here, one here. This is a beam which has a needle, which is having a needle, and there are hanging two parts. This comes in a wooden box or box. This is a front openable. When you have to clean it, you can open this. There are two side doors openable. One lock is there, very easy to use, and opens from both the sides. And then you have to match the things before installation when it comes to you. This beam has two knots here and two dots on this. See, these two dots are there. Similarly, on the second side there is one dot. So one dot is to be matched here with the one dot. This is one dot, two dot, and there are one notch here, two notch here on this side, and there is one on this side. So first of all, on the back side there is a bottom has two depressions, and I just take out slowly. When I take it, these are the places where I have to put these. They are unstable, so that the needle is in the front, not on the back side. So that see that needle is on the front, and now I hang the one knot. This taking care, it is on the outside, and I hang the second pan. I hang on this. Now just hold it with the second. Now same system is for hanging the other notch, other hanger, and then the pan with the wire. Now I just put this finger on both of these, and then now close it, the door. Now I must see this is in the center. Slowly I have to lift it. See, this plumb line is on the one side. See this plumb line, you can see this is on the one side. I have to make it to the center. So I just slowly increasing the height. It is going toward the center. There are three leveling screws provided. One is on this side, another is on the third side, and then I slowly bring it to the center. I can have it front, I can open it from the back also, so that the level is coming to the front. So slowly I level them. See, this is now leveled, almost leveled. I close it. Now very easy to use. Slowly lift it half. I just lift it half, then I lift it to the top. See, this is going to the right side, so I bring it down. I can take out, open this screw so that the weight increases on the right side. So slowly lift it half, then see, this is now balanced one. I can just disturb it by putting it more on the right side. I'll show you. So lift it half, then slowly up. Now this is going on the left side. So very easy. Whenever you have to use this from the right side chemical, left side balances. When I lift it slowly and I rest it back, if there is a lot of I just do it faster, it disturbs. So better slowly lift it half, and then easy, and I can bring it back slowly half, then back to the rest position. Please see, the manual is also there. Chemical balance has a rider system here. It is on the top. There is a one riding wire. This wire comes out, rider moving left, and the rest of the balance is almost similar. Sensitivity, this one is a 1/5 chemical balance. See our videos. We have, you can write us an abron01@gmail.com, or subscribe to our channel, and please visit and see the other videos. Send us a message. We'll update you. Subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.